Yes, it's Nyamins time. It's all about Jamaican food and Jamaican dishes. Now, Jamaican people are experts in the kitchen. They love to cook and they love to eat their own food. And our cuisine is just diverse, rich, and just delicious. Lick your finger every time you taste it. Now, Jamaican cuisine includes a mixture of cooking techniques, flavors, spices, and influences from many people. The Africans, the Tainos, the Rastas, the British people, the Spanish people, the Indian and the Chinese. All of them contribute big time to the development of the Jamaican cuisine and make it rich. Very rich as it is today. Now, ackee and saltfish are a very delicious dish, right? Now, you get your ackee, you wash it, you remove the necessary parts that like the seed and the little red parts. You cook it, right? After you cook it, cook your saltfish as well. You flake out your saltfish and put it in the pot with the necessary natural seasons. Stir it, then add in your ackee. And when that is ready, you eat it with whatever you want, whether it's bread or fried dumplings. Then you have fried chicken. Chicken is just a favorite dish of Jamaicans, right? So you get your chicken, you wash it, you season it, let it marinate, right? Get your flour, dust on that on your chicken, put it in your pot, fry it. Just turn it and don't let it burn. After that, you can basically take out your chicken and have it with rice or dumplings or anything that you have. Curry chicken, now this is Indian influence, people. No, so you wash the chicken, get it seasoned, add your pimento, your pepper, your natural seasoning, escallion, and your thyme, and anything else that you have that you want to add. Add your potatoes, right? Put the curry in the pot with oil, let it eat up a little and burn a little, then add in your chicken and you're good to go. Curry goat is a similar thing. You get it, you wash it, you clean it off, you season it, right? Let it marinate if you need to. Then you add some oil to your pot, add in some curry, stir it a little, and basically throw in the goat, and then you cover it up, and then you pressure it if you want to, and because it could cook faster. And then you're good to go. Add in some onions, add in some potato, add in some dumpling, and it's nice. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are wonderful. Scrambled eggs is a perfect breakfast idea. Now get your egg, you crack it, you put the oil on the stove, in the pot basically, and you let it eat. Then you add the eggs to it, and you basically add the black pepper or your salt and any other thing you want to add, and you stir that, and in a few minutes that will be ready. Fried breadfruit. Now you go on the tree, pick a breadfruit that is suitable for roasting, right? Either you're going to set up some wood fire and roast that breadfruit, or you're going to put it in your oven, or you can put it on your burner. You know, you're going to have to clean it after though. And then when it's all ready, you have to put a crust on the bottom of the breadfruit. After it's ready, now you slice it up, fry it, or just eat it with whatever you have. Now stew peas, you wash your pigtail, you wash your peas or your beef, right? And basically you season those things, you put them in the pot, boil it off to get off the salt. Then you set it on again with the peas so you can get the color, and you pressure that, right? You pressure that. Then when it's ready and close and soft, what you do is add some dumplings, add some potatoes, add your coconut milk, and let it simmer. Now bulla and pear. Now you go shop, buy your bulla or the supermarket, get some bulla, or you stop by the bakery and get it. Get your pear off of the tree, make sure it's ripe, touch it up and make sure it's soft, right? Not too soft, but kind of soft, right? And then you slice it up and add some salt to it, enhances the flavor, and you eat that with your bulla. Now steamed fish and crackers and bammy, perfect dish. Get the fish, you wash it, you season it, you put some oil in the pot, add some water, put in the fish and any other natural seasons you have. Whether when that reach a particular stage, right, you add your crackers and your bammy. After you add your crackers and your bammy, cover it up and let it simmer, and that is good to go. Now we come to my favorite, turkey neck and red pea soup with corn. It sounds strange, but it is delicious. Now I get my turkey neck, I wash it, I season it, I put it in my pot, right? I pressure it a little with the red peas, and when that's close enough, I take out my soup mix and I add it to it. When I add that to it, right, I add in some dumplings, I add in some potatoes, I drop in the corn because I love corn, and I make it simmer, make it cook, right? And then I enjoy my delicious soup. Now you know the Tainos bring the bammy and the jerk, the Africans bring their ground provision and the one pot meal and some fritters. The Spaniards bring the peas and beans, the British bring the porridge and the patty, the Chinese bring the spice and the flavor, and the Rasta bring the Ital food and the vegetarian dishes. Now like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure talking to you about food. I know you love food and I love food. So go and try and see if you can cook any of my dish them. I challenge